Welcome students. So in this video you are going to learn 7th lesson variation practice at 7.2 part 1. Now our first sum is the information about number of workers and number of days to complete a work is given in the following table. Complete the table. Now here blank is there. In that case you have to fill the numbers. Okay, so here we saw in practice at 7.1 that in the first sum these in the here the initials were mentioned, but here the initials are not there, like x and y. Here the initials were mentioned, but here now it is not there, so we have to consider our own initial. We can consider m, n, x, y, a, b, anything we can consider. So let us begin. Let the number of workers, now here I have considered number of workers be W and the number of days be D. So now here this is inverse variation. How? I'll tell you. In case of inverse variation, one second. In case of inverse variation, what is there? If one number increases, the other decreases. See, now here number of workers, the number is 30 and number of days to complete the work is 6. अगर वर्कर्स ज़्यादा होंगे तो जो काम हम लोग को और जो गोल हम लोग को अकम्प्लिश करना है वो ऑफ कोर्स कम होगा. देन इन द सेकेंड केस इफ यू विल सी द नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स इज लेस, और काम उतना ही है, सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स लेस है और डेज फिर इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. Okay, so in this case if one quantity is increasing and other is decreasing, then it is the inverse variation. And what is direct variation? The numbers will be same. Means if one quantity is increasing, other will also increase. अगर cost of 12 apples का cost है suppose 120 rupees, तो फिर 14 apples का cost कितना होगा? Of course it will increase. So if the one quantity is increasing and second is also increasing, then it is direct variation. And if the one quantity is increasing and second is decreasing, then it is inverse variation. Okay, so here one quantity is increasing, second is decreasing, so it is inverse variation. Now next thing we will start our sum over here. Now the formula for inverse variation is little bit different. In direct it was x is equal to ky, but in this case it will be x is equal to k upon y. Understood? Here alpha Greek numerator will be there. So in this case the formula W alpha, that is a 1 upon D. So W is equal to K upon D. We'll replace 1 with K. W into D is equal to K. Now this step is also there further, W into D. Suppose here X is equal to K upon Y है. So your step will be x into y is equal to k. Okay, so here k is constant. What is given here? Our first step is number is given 20 and 9. You can consider this also, this also. Anyway the constant will be same. So here I am considering this one, 20 W20 and days is 9. So k is equal to W into D. So 20 into 9 is what? 180 is the constant of variation. Now the equation of variation is what? W into D is equal to 180. इक्वेशन ऑफ वेरिएशन आपका वैसे ही रहेगा, सिर्फ आपको k का वैल्यू जो है वो रिप्लेस करना है. k की जगह पे आप उसका वैल्यू डाल दोगे, जो वैल्यू आपने अभी फाइंड आउट किया है, दैट इज़ कांस्टेंट ऑफ वेरिएशन का वैल्यू डालेंगे आप. तो अभी फर्स्ट केस में आपको क्या दिया है? ये देखिए यहाँ पे आपको डेज दिया है और वर्कर्स पूछा है. days 12, w into d again is equal to 180. So w into d is given 12. Do the calculation. 12 ones are 12, 12 15s are 180. So w is equal to 15. देन सेकेंड केस में आपको वर्कर्स दिया है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट डेज. सो हियर इन दिस केस this second one, this is now here in this case same formula, you have to write w into d is equal to 180. Now w is given, so replace w with the w's value, that is 10 into d 180. Perform the calculation. 10 gone, 10 gone here also. So days is equal to 18 days is there. Now in third case, what is given? Days is given. See, days is equal to 36. Same formula write down. Then w into 36 is equal to 180. Perform the calculation. 36 ones are 36. 36 fives are 180. So w is equal to 5. Now here I have filled the table and shown for you. You can go through this table. Okay. Now our next sum. The boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Now see, 24 jo here I'll write A, and here apples, and here boxes. 24 apples are there and boxes is 27. Now here 36 apples are there, then boxes will decrease. In what way it will decrease, I'll tell you. See, आप जो क्वांटिटी एक बॉक्स में डालते थे वो आपको बढ़ाना है, यानी कि 24 एप्पल्स आपके 27 बॉक्सेस में फिल होते हैं. सपोज 12 एप्पल्स आप एक बॉक्स में फिल करते हो, तो आपको अगर पूछा जाए, आपको अगर बॉक्सेस कम अवेलेबल है, तो फिर आप क्या करेंगे? यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द मोर एप्पल्स इन वन बॉक्स. सेम केस इज हियर. यू हैव टू एडजस्ट और you have to put more apples in one box. So here, if number of apples are increasing, then the boxes will decrease. So inverse variation. Okay, so let us begin. Let the number of apples be x and number of boxes be y. So here's this formula you have to write. X is equal to x alpha 1 upon y. X is equal to, replace 1 with k, k upon y. X into y is equal to k. K is a constant. Then the equation of variation will be x into y is equal to k. Now here you have to find out the k. X is equal to 24 and y is equal to 27 given. So k का value find out करना है. X into y formula is there. 24 into 27, 648 is the k. Now, so what is the equation of variation here? This is your equation of variation. Understood? X into y is equal to 648. Now you have to substitute. Substituting x is equal to 36. Apples हमें दिए हैं. Y, that is boxes, we have to find out. So x is equal to 36. X into y is equal to 648. Then multiply. Here 36 into y is equal to 648, and this y will take on the left side. Here we'll take this y over here, and this 36 will go in this case. Here it is multiplied. After going to the right hand side, it will divide. It will be divide. See, so y is equal to 648 upon 36. Y is equal to, after performing calculation, 18 you will get answer. 36 ones are 36. 36 18s are 648. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you like the videos, and share it with maximum number of your friends.